What's up, everybody? We got David's ZFORCE 950 in the shop here at Main Street Cycle, and we're finally getting to put some accessories on it for our boy David. And we're putting the CFMOTO genuine front bumper from CFMOTO, and it's going to look super good. We're actually going to be rigging it out with the front bumper, the Nerf bars, and the rear bumper. So we're going to show you how to install that. Remember, you can get those accessories right here at Main Street Cycle. So let's get to it. All right, so first you're going to want to start out by taking off this front plastic cover here around the winch, because that joker is going to be replaced with this super nice front bash plate, what I like to call it. But it's going to be a lot more protection there, and really nice feature that goes along with the front bumper. After you remove the front plastic cover, you're going to let your winch out a little bit, and you're going to take the front fair lead off. Alright, and then that's going to be a 15 millimeter bolt. Is that a 15 millimeter nut on the back side?
Yep.
Alright. Take that dude off and get it out of the way, because that's where the front bumper part of it is going to mount. Alright, so also before you get it up there, you need to take your 10 millimeter and take these off each side. You won't need those mounting brackets anymore. So now you take your bumper, place the winch rope over the top, and I'm going to be able to start those 10 millimeter bolts to hold it there in place. Boom, coming together already, nice and neat. All right, now what Allen head is that? 8 millimeter Allen head. Get those started on each side. We'll tighten them up here in just a minute. Put a little down pressure on it to line it up. Beautiful. Nice. So we'll come back and tighten all that up after we get the fair lead, winch fair lead attached. Remember, it's going to be your 15 millimeter bolt along with the 15 millimeter nut on the back side. Got to make sure all your holes are lined up. You can go ahead and tighten all that down, huh?
Yep.
Now we'll go back, tighten everything down, and tighten down the upper bracket mounts as well. Booyah. Now that the front bumper is installed, we're going to loosen those 10 millimeters.
Yep.
Alright, 10 millimeter bolts there, because we're going to be putting some spacers in right there. And we're going to line this up on the front. And then that's going to thread into the new front bumper. Leave that loose so that we can get everything started right back here.
Spacer will go in between the metal plate and the factory skid plate.
Yeah, so no need to remove the factory hard plastic skid plate. Spacer, that's a new bolt that comes with it as well. Is that right?
Yeah.
A little bit longer bolt with the spacer. Then you're going to tighten that down, and and that is a 4
Allen head.
4mm Allen head. And you can go ahead and tighten down the back side and do like Joel's doing. He's holding this in place up here. Tighten that dude down on both sides. Strip it out, and then we're going to tighten this up right here. Alright, so we got the winch in, we got everything tightened down, and boy does that look great. Looks really good. Also have some places to mount some light pods or a light bar across here or something, like a little 8-inch or something like that. 10-inch. That looks super good. Let's go get David and see what he thinks. We messed it up.
No.
What you think, man?
Damn, it's fat as a bone now.
That looks
It
good.
look good on a trailer, won't it? Oh yeah.
Ah,
Go ahead, the trailer queen.
be a nice addition to the trailer queen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that looks good.
Really good.
Hey, what you think about this bash plate?
I like it.
Yeah. I know. Too bad you won't ever be using it.
I guess it can bump up against the trailer when it pulls it on.
That's right. No, we're messing. This thing looks awesome, guys. So you remember, you can get this at Main Street Cycle.
Hey, this proves it comes off the trailer.
Yeah, David has put a few scratches in it. But you'll have that when you're trail riding in the tight woods, that's for sure. So anyways, hope you enjoyed it. Bumper looks awesome. Remember, you can get it at Main Street Cycle. God bless y'all. Remember to keep it real. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
See you, man.